Hey guys, so today's video is going to be very different depending on if you have a tall landscape picture or if you have a wide landscape picture. Um, we're going to be creating our file that we're going to be working with, and the size will vary, but option one, option two. So to create a new file in Photoshop or Photopea is File and then New, just like we did with the business card and the poster version of your logo. In here, we, again, only want to pay attention to the stuff in the top left. Big thing is naming your project. I think it'll be easier to search for your file if you name it correctly. So please name your project Digital Painting. I'll let you pause the video if you want to check for spelling. After that, you want to first change the pixel setting, px, to in for inches. This is where it can differ. I'm going to shimmy my screen over and open my sample file that I've chosen to use. Is this picture right here of a street in Tokyo. This is more tall, right, than it is long. So if your file is taller, you're going to want the height to be 17 inches and the width to be 11. If your photo is longer, like left to right, you would just swap these, and you can hit this swap button right here. And then the width is 17 and the height is 11. So take a look at your photo and determine if it's taller or longer. Again, if it's longer, width 17, height 11. If it's if it's longer, the width is 17. If it's taller, hit the swap button and make your height 17. Okay? But 17 and 11 are the two numbers that we're playing with. DPI needs to be changed. Everybody will do the same DPI. It is 300 again. We want that high quality print that 300 DPI gives us. And also leave the background white this time. Try to not do transparent. You'll see why later. Then go ahead and click Create. I should end up, and I did, good. I ended up with a nice tall rectangle. That's what we want if you're going for the tall one. If you realize later, oh gosh, I messed up, it should be the other way around, next class I will be showing you how you can change that. Now that we have our file, we need to save it. So we're going to go to File, Save as PSD, right here. And again, on the iPad, it's going to go into your Files app. Double check that it did. If you need to search it, in the top search bar on your Files app on an iPad, you can search digital painting and it'll come up. On a desktop or laptop, you need to make sure you put your file in a safe place. I'm using Chrome as my browser right now, and the download popped in down here. I'm just going to click and drag it and put it on my desktop. In my opinion, everybody, if you're using a computer, a PC or Mac, I would leave your project right there on your desktop. Make it as easy as possible to find while we're working on this project, okay? All right, with that, we are done for the day.